Hey everyone, I'm Hannah, and today I have a thrift exchange with Katie of Thrift Your Heart Out. And if you know me, then you likely know her because we're in the same thrifting community. And also because we've done a thrift exchange before. We're gonna see if we can make magic happen again because it was awesome. And if you missed it, because it was a couple years ago, I'm gonna have it linked up in the cards and also down below. We basically did the same thing again, same rules. We went thrifting for one another, filled a whole box, exchanged it in the mail, and now we're gonna open it up on our YouTube channels. So don't forget that when you're done watching my video, you're gonna wanna go over to Katie's channel and see what I sent her. So without further ado, let's open this bad boy. Yeah, that's not gonna last on my lap. First is a cute card. Katie is like a planner queen. She is all up on sticker trends. Look at that. Oh my goodness, so many cute cats. She actually made this. It's like cat washi tape and then gold letters. So Katie says, "Hi Hannah, I had so much fun shopping for you and thinking about how you might style it with your special Hannah twist. I found some fun stuff and maybe some pizza, and cats may have found their way into the pile. I hope you enjoy everything, XOXO Katie." Well, I didn't hear any purring in the box, so it must be like cat clothes. Right on top, I see the pizza. So this is a vinyl decal that says, "First this, then pizza." That is true. It's like she knows my love of pizza and hydration. I don't want to open this. This is the cutest wrapping paper ever. So this says, I won't say what it says. I want you to be surprised. Oh yeah. So inside she says it's an 80s jumpsuit. I'd say so. It's got shoulder pads. It's got some colors. I was just thinking today how I want to find some more jumpsuits at the thrift store. This one is awesome. Next, more cat paper. The tag just says plain Jane. This is not. Ooh, I see some rainbow sequins. Oh my goodness. I understand her tag now. The clothing label is Plain Jane by Sweet Baby Jane. And yeah, it is anything but plain. This is a black sweater dress, and just check out sequins and gems in a bow shape. Winter can last forever, just so I can wear this over and over again. Contrary to popular belief, there are some non-cat packages, so I'll pick one of those just to be fair. This one is just pink tissue paper. The tag just says pizza over everything else. Now I'm like hungry for pizza. It's a varsity jacket, which is something that's on my thrifting wish list. And then the arms have these patches. How did you know that I was looking at one of these on Poshmark? Except I kept talking myself out of it, like, oh, I'll magically thrift a varsity jacket and just put my own patches on it. This is like the coolest jacket ever. No offense, members only jackets. I'm gonna do another pink one since that one was so good. This says, "That print though." Through the bag it looks like Minions. Okay, good, it's not Minions. Oh, it's like the little Vespas, the little scooters. Cute. Just like a little summer top. Sleeveless. Adorable. I like the colors. Let's do a yellow one. The tag says so many ways to style this one. It looks like stripes. Oh, it's stripes. I was right. It is. Oh, cute. It's who, what, where is little strappy black and white striped dress. Maybe even tunic. We'll check it out when I try it on. Oh, it's definitely gonna be a tunic. I see it has like an 8-inch slit. Or I guess it could be a dress if I'm feeling saucy. I almost think I could wear it with my kimono and just, boom, have a summer outfit. Okay, there is one more cat package and then it's a few colorful packages. So the last cat package clue says, this one literally has your name on it and make sure to look inside. Good, it's not Hannah Montana, it's just my name, Hannah, on one of these little makeup pouches, one of those little canvas bags. Okay, so inside, I'll pick the big pocket because that's like, and inside we have, oh cute, they're like these little cat earrings, but they're like the geometric shapes. I think that's the proper way to describe it. I'll insert a close up. Well, those are really cute and different. Another pink one that says, "A great staple and perfect for the spring." It is the classic shirt by Old Navy and it's in a black floral. And I have been getting into button-ups a lot lately. It's like I've reached that age where I realize how versatile they are. There's two left. One I can see stripes. I'm gonna save that one for last. This one says Valentine's Day may be over, but I just couldn't pass this one up. Cute. This is a navy blue top with a Peter Pan collar and a little red heart print all over it. What's not to love? Last one. Are you ready for it? So this just says stripes for life, which is correct. Ooh, this is different. This isn't what I was expecting. So this is stripes on top, and then it has this scalloped shape, and then it's black on the bottom. And I like that it's thick because we're definitely still in the cold weather phase right now in Wisconsin. So I can still get some wear out of it. Cute. The clothing label is whistles, and I've never heard of it. Does that mean that I'm gonna get whistles if I wear it? I would say this box was a success. Thank you so much for another incredible thrift exchange, Katie, and I hope that you love everything that I sent you as much as I am loving everything that you sent me. Don't forget, if you want to see what I sent Katie, you gotta go over to her channel, and I will have that link down below. To everyone who's not Katie, well, also Katie, I guess, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like the content that I make, then be sure to support it by following along and liking and commenting and especially sharing it with your friends. Hopefully, I will see you around on the internet, and in the meantime, be excellent to each other.